was trying to break down this pellet to extend this chicken tractor, and this hammer glanced off the wood and smacked the top of my hand. So I promptly went to Home Depot and got some lumber. I'm actually going to make a second tractor and divide the flock in two. I'm going to stick with the original measurements, so I went ahead and I got 8-foot 2x4. I'm going to cut it in half, and then cut it half of that in half, and then rip them all in half. So I should be able to make a panel out of one piece of 2x4, 8-foot long. See how that works. Alright, here they all are, cut and ripped. I got 2 at 4 foot, and I got 4 at 2 foot out of that 8-foot 2x4. Alright, now all the pieces are grooved out. At the top grooved out down here where I can put the cross bracings. Got 3 uprights. This one is cut to fit that. Alright, let's put it together. There's the first panel all together. Now I just have to build 3 more. I had an extra 2-foot piece. Alright, second one's built. Now I have a whole 2-foot piece. Alright, the third one's built. And I have enough to do the webbings of the fourth. Nice. I think I'll be able to build this entire tractor, including the top brace piece, 4 pieces of 2x4 by 8 foot. This is even cheaper than I thought it was. Cross bracing is built, grooved together. Now to start fencing the sides. I got 2 sides wrapped with chicken wire. These 2 sides I'm going to make solid like I did the other tractor. And I got these fence slats. They're 6 foot long. My tractor's 2 foot high, so I'm going to cut them in 3 pieces. So each 6 foot slat, which cost $1, like $1.06 or something like that, I think, and it's 4 inches wide. 4 times 3 is 12, that's a foot, so each will cover a foot of this. I may have got too many of these too. Nice. Two wooden panels finished. I left slats in it so that they can see me coming up so they don't get scared. Because I've noticed when I come up from the wooded side of my other tractor that they don't know I'm coming. So, alright, let's put this baby together. And I spent $28 at Home Depot buying lumber. I didn't even use one of the 2x4s, and I didn't use one of the fence slats. So I'm going to say that this tractor I built for less than $25. It's pretty nice for under $25. I want to thank you for watching. Ask that you subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when I put out new videos.